I saw this Casa Blanco Roma Console online and really liked it, but then I saw the price tag and was like, not in this economy. So then I decided I was going to try and make one myself. So I went to the hardware store and I bought some wood, a circular saw because I knew I was going to have to cut some 45-degree angles, some metal brackets and some screws to hold it all together. So I got to work cutting the wood to size. I wanted the table to be 90 centimeters across and 80 centimeters high. So I cut all the wood to size and then started cutting the 45-degree angles, which was quite hard. I've never used a circular saw before, so the edges are a bit rough, but this was mainly for the skeleton of the table, and you're going to be able to tidy it up at the end. Then I drew where the legs were going to go and the angles that the wood was going to have to sit to get that sort of triangular effect. This was very much a trust the process scenario. Once everything was cut to shape and screwed together and I felt like it was sturdy, I attached the plywood with tack nails and some liquid nails, and then used the liquid nails to go and fill in any gaps. Once that was dry, I went in with some wood filler to hide where the screws and tack nails had been. Once that was dry, I sanded that down as well to give it a nice, even, smooth finish. I wanted it to have a lime wash finish, so I used a Porter's lime wash undercoat to seal the wood, and then I went over that with the Porter's lime wash paint. I did about 3 coats of the lime wash paint. I think I still need to even out a few areas, but overall I think it turned out well. If you like how this looks, let me know in the comments.